This tutorial explains how to efficiently search and filter content by author affiliation within the SAE Mobilus platform. You will learn to apply specific filters and submit refined search queries to find relevant information. Click the search option to begin your content query in SAE Mobilus. Use the scroll bar to see more filtering options down the page. Click the Affiliations filter to show a list of affiliations you can choose to select. Click View More to see additional affiliation options beyond the initial list. For an example, we will choose to search for items produced by employees of General Motors. Notice that General Motors is listed multiple ways, and you will need to select all entries. Another option is to use the advanced search. To access it, click the advanced option at the end of the search bar. Use the drop-down menu to select author affiliation to focus the search on author-related organizational data. Enter in your search term. If you wish to add additional terms, you can click the plus sign. You can build your search starting with what you wish to search, such as full text, author affiliation. Once your criteria is built, click on Search to complete the search. Once you are back on the search results page, you can use any additional filters to further narrow your search. You have successfully used multiple methods to refine content results in SAE Mobilus. This process enables targeted retrieval of relevant documents based on affiliations.